I'm very happy to have you here. My name is Jiang Yuan, your professional Chinese teacher. So the course today is time, 时间. Before having this class, please make sure you have checked our video about number or you have understand all the characters of number and pronunciations too. So, let's start.
Okay, we're going to start this topic with the question. 今天几号? What date is it today? This 号 means day. 几 which 几 and 今天 means today. 天 is day, okay? 今天几号? 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 And this is a calendar. Today is March 4th, and then we have March 3rd, which is 昨天 yesterday. 昨天 and then 5th, 明天 So, 昨天是几月几号? This is a question. What date is yesterday? 昨天是 means is 几 which 月 means month 几 which 号 day 昨天是几月几号昨天是几月几号昨天是3月3号星期二星期二 means Tuesday. What is Monday? Right, 星期一。昨天是3月3号，星期二。明天呢 What about tomorrow? 明天 means tomorrow. 呢 you put it after a question. 明天呢明天呢明天是3月5号。星期四星期四 is Thursday 明天是3月5号星期四 Then we have this one Year 年 Rising tone 年 And then we have 日期 which means date 日期This one, of course, it's time. 时间 And then, when is your birthday? 你的生日是几月几号你 is you. The indicate that the first words have the position of the next one, which means the birthday is yours. 你的生日生 means birth 日 means date 你的生日是几月几号 In this occasion, 日 and 号 have the same meaning, but when you are asking for the date, you should use 号你的生日是几月几号我 means me, my 我的 my 我的生日是3月28日我的生日是3月28日 This is not a question, so you can use 日 Then we're focusing on time 现在几点现在几点 What time is it? 现在 means now 现在 Two falling tone 现在几点点 is o'clock 几 is which What time is it? 现在几点 Okay, again, our calendar, there's a clock for it. This is our 点 which means a clock. 点 For minute, we have 分 our old friend 分 And for second, we have 秒 秒 third tone, first falling, then rising. 秒 So okay, what is this? 10点 means a clock. 0 is 0. 0, new word. 05. Okay, so this is 10点05. What about this? 9点09. 9点09. Then we have 10点. Yes, you can say 15, but we have another expression of it. You can say 10点1刻. 1刻 means 15 minutes. 10点1刻. 10点1刻. For this, 10点30, and you can also say 10点半, because 半 means a half. It's half of an hour. So 10点半. 8点20. 8点20. 2点15. 2点15. What time is this? 现在几点? What time is it now? 现在几点? 现在7点10分. Why there's a 分? Because on the last occasion, we didn't say 15分. Because most of the time when we are in daily conversation, the 分 will be omitted. But there is an exception, is when the number of the minute is 10. Only when this is 10, we should add 分 here. So it's 7点10分. So it's 7点10分. 现在几点? 现在7点10分. 现在几点? 现在7点10分. So this is a class today.
Time to review the new characters we learned today. 点. Remember third tone. 点 first falling then rising. 点. 零. 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 半. 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 课. 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 早. 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 晚. 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 午. 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 上. 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 上午. 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 Afternoon. 中. 中. Flat. 中. 下. 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 十. 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 分. 分 minute. 分. 秒. 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 天. 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 月. 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 年. 年. 年 second tone. 周. 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 星. 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 七. 七. 七 flat tone. So this is the new characters today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and go through our website. And if you have any suggestion, don't forget to comment below anything you want to learn, anything you want to tell us about the courses. And don't forget to check the homework. Goodbye.